guys, good day and welcome to my channel. If you're just joining this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe and also like this video at the end of the and if you're a returning subscriber, you're highly welcome. Thank you for always coming back. So on today's video, I'll be making these double handkerchief flared skirts that you can see on the screen. So the first thing I did was to go to the market to source for fabric. If you're a tall person or you've been making your skirt long, all you have to do is to get 3 yards of fabric. You might not be using all, depending on how you cut it. For me, I think I used about 2 yards of fabric. Then for the net, I used about 1.5 yards of nets. Moving on, we are going to be folding our fabric. This material is 60 inches long. If your material is 60 inches long, you can achieve a very long handkerchief skirt. But if your material is like 45 inches long, then you will not be able to achieve a very long handkerchief skirt. So moving on, we're going to be folding it into 4. So first off, I'll first fold into 2, then I'll fold into 2 again. So basically I am having 4 folds. If you count your fold, you will see that you are having 4 materials placed on each other. So the next thing I'm going to do is to measure myself. I'll be taking my hip measurement. My hip measurement is 44, and I'm also going to be taking my skirt measurements. So for the short skirt, this is an handkerchief skirt, we'll be having a short side and also the long side. I'll be taking the short measurement and I'll also be taking the long measurement. So I think for the short one I took about 23 inches, and for the long one I took about 36 inches. So these are the 3 things I'll basically be working on. So after folding your material into 2, we are going to be taking the hip circumference. Now we're using the hip measurements because the skirt is going to have an elastic band. So my hip is 44. I'm going to be dividing 44 by 6.28. Dividing 44 by 6.28, I think I should be having 7 point something, but I'm going to be making use of 7 inches. So I'll take my 7 inches all round, and I'm going to be measuring this side. You see that short side, I am going to measure it. Whatever I have there, I think after measuring it, I have about 23 inches, and I will take that 23 inches on this other short side. Now on the midpoint of my hip circumference, where I measured my 7 inches, I am going to be chalking out the middle point. So 7 inches into 2, I should be point something. So from that midpoint, I am going to be taking about 36 inches. Now that is where the real handkerchief shape would come from. That's where the long side of the handkerchief measurement or the handkerchief flare would come from. So I'm just going to be taking it all the way down to 36 inches. If you want yours to be very long, then you have to increase your fold. So after that, I am going to connect and then cut it out. After cutting it out, please do not forget to notch your hip circumference so that you do not miss the sides off. Now at this point, there was a twist. I was supposed to use this same lemon material for the 2-step until I saw this green net, which I already have, and I decided to pair both colors together. Now the reason why I did this is because the green is cool while the lemon is a very shouty color. So I just feel like the green is going to cool out the vibrant nature of the lemon. I hope you understand. So let's move into the cutting. Now for the green, I am also going to be folding it into 4. So if you have about 1.5 yards, you should be able to achieve the second step of your handkerchief. So I'll be folding it into 4, and I'll be taking my hip circumference, which is 7, and then for the length I'll be making use of 17 inches, and for the long side I think I made use of 20 something inches. So I'm just going to make this fast so that we don't get tired of this tutorial. So this is basically how I achieve my handkerchief skirt. And will I be sewing this again on another fabric? Yes, I would, because I love the cutting process. I love how creative it is. So I am just going to notch out those sides. Like I said, notch them out before you open them up so that you don't mix up the edges. So you notch those hip circumference out. Then after that, I'm just going to be placing it on each other just to see the color combo and see the blend. And so far I love the combination. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut out the band. it will be having an elastic band. So for the band, I'll be making use of 2 inches. This is just something simple. You don't even need to remove it from your hip measurements when cutting, if you are cutting a long handkerchief skirt just like mine. So I'm just going to cut out 2 inches. I'll put in fold, then I'm just going to cut it straight. Then later I'll be adding stay, and then I'll take the accurate 2.5 inches measurement, and then I'll cut them out. So I also cut out about 2 inches wide and let's say 20 inches long for the strap that I'll be using for the skirt. So the double layer on the skirt would have a strap by the side. So I went ahead to cut that. Now right now I'm having the strap, I'm having the band, I'm having the skirt, and I'm also going to be using an elastic band and also a bias. The bias is where I'll be putting the strap in. So that's basically all for this handkerchief skirt. In my next video, I'll be showing how I joined every pieces together to achieve the handkerchief skirt. Please, if you've watched up to this extent, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video where I'll be sewing every pieces together to achieve this skirt. Thank you for sticking by, and do have a great day.